Hey guys, so if you're wondering why the last video cut off so abruptly, it was because I was originally going to do this example in the same video, but that didn't work out, so I had to trim it off. Anyway, this is a direct continuation of the last video. So we're still talking about interquartile range, and we're just going to do this second example where we have an even number of data points. So the very first thing we need to do with this, though, is we need to get the numbers in order. So notice how they're not in order. If I found the median of this, it wouldn't be accurate because it's not in order. So until now, we've had what's the word I'm looking for? We've had like a plot on a number line where we can see that everything is in order, but this is not in order. So we need to get it in order to find the medians. I should say the quartiles, right? So let's get it in order. So the highest number is 8. Let's start with the lowest number. That would make a lot more sense. Okay, so the lowest number is 3, and I'm going to cross it off every time I use one just so that I know I didn't miss anything, and that was very bad crossing off. Oh well. No, that's not even the lowest number. Wow. Oh dear. The lowest number is 2.6. You guys can just laugh at me, it's fine. The next number is 3, and then it's 4.9. And then we have 2 5s. So 5 and 5 again. And then 2 6s. And then 7.9. And then 8.2. Again, sorry for my terrible handwriting. But anyway, so that is our numbers in order. Make this dot clear. Confused myself already. I was like, 6 is between 2 and 3. What's going on? So I made the dots more visible. Okay, so get my train of thought back together. We need to find, I missed this 8. Sad. That goes here. I'm going to put like lines because this is starting to all blur together. Sorry, guys. I feel so disorganized. Okay. So hopefully this helps us make sure we can see what we're doing. Let me count these just to make sure. There should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Good. All right. So how do we find the median of 10 things? Well, that would be the average of the 5th and 6th things. So the 5th thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is this 5. And the 6th thing is this 6. So we're going to average the 5 and 6, which is, of course, 5.5. So the median, I'm just going to write M for that, is 5.5. Then we need to find the upper quartile, which is Q3, and the lower quartile, or Q1. And then max and min. Max and min are easy, so go ahead and do those first. Minimum is 2.6. I should say easy now that we have everything in order. And maximum is 8.2. So the median was the average of these two. So in the last example, when we had an odd number of data points, we didn't include the median when we were trying to find the lower quartile and the upper quartile. But since we have 2 data points for the median, we're going to include the smaller one in the in this half of the data, and the upper one in this half of the data. So we're going to split the data in between our two medians. So then the lower quartile is going to be the median of these 5, and the upper quartile is going to be the median of these 5. So the median of 5 is always the third one. So it's going to be 4.9 is our median here. And the median for these 5 is this 7.9. So that's lower quartile, median, upper quartile, and then the interquartile range, we subtract Q3 from Q1. So that's going to be 7.9 minus 4.9, which is what, 3? Yeah. I can subtract in my head. Okay. Is 3. So the interquartile range is 3, and that is all there is to it. So hopefully that helps, and I will see you guys in the next video.